Hello friends, in this video I will show how to change alarm sound on Samsung A16 5G. First of all, open the clock app and from here you can see different alarm. So we select any alarm, click on. From here you can see option alarm sound, click on this, and from here you can see option ringtone, click on this. From here you can see different ringtone. So if you want to change alarm sound, so we select any ringtone what you want. So we select this and from here you can see that alarm sound has changed. By applying this method you can easily change alarm sound on Samsung A16 5G. Hope so you like this video. Thanks for watching.